Hey there, I just wanted to show you a couple of tips and tricks here on the iPad using Goodnotes, and this has to do with the text box. So let's start out by opening up my planner. Let's go to a page where I can type. Here we go. So I will take the text box, and one of the things is that a lot of times you will notice that this keyboard is sometimes right on top of items that you don't want it to be on top of, and you can't move it from over here. For the longest time, I was like, why is this not moving? Why can I not move it? This doesn't make sense. So I'd have to turn my iPad around to try to get around it. Because it would be covering a text box or be covering something I don't want it to cover, because I want to see something underneath it that I might be typing or writing something in that space. And so what you can do is take this bar here at the bottom, and that's where you could move this around. Okay, so that's tip number one. Tip number two, if you want to, instead of typing out each letter, what you can do is drag your pencil around on the keyboard. So let me show that to you. Is that cool or what? And if you want to erase something, what you can just do is scribble that letter out. There you go. My third thing that I wanted to share with you is, again, we'll go to the text box. And many times you might want to make a sticker out of an emoji. There are certain emojis that I use constantly, and so it's kind of nice to be able to just go to my elements and have a collection of the emojis that I typically use, so that yeah, I can use it whenever I want to. So what you do is you have a text box, you go to your emoji. So let's say you use this emoji right here a lot. So it's right there. I'm gonna make that bigger. It's another trick. If you tap, is it 2 or 3 times? I think it's 3 times with one finger. You will highlight the whole emoji, the whole word, the whole sentence. So yeah. I think it's 2 taps with one finger. It's so automatic for me that I don't even think about it. Okay, so let's make that bigger, a bigger size. Okay, and then I made it bigger. I made it to 111 points. And as you notice, it has covered some of the emoji, and so you can't see the whole thing. So what you want to do is go here and press where it says automatic, and it'll automatically size it to fit properly. You can add or you can subtract if you want it to go up or down, depending on how you want to line it up. Anyway, after doing that, deselect, and you go over to the lasso tool and you lasso around it, and then you tap and it'll say add element, and you just tap on add element, and then you find I have emojis already that I've saved, so it's right here, and so I tap there. Now it is an emoji. Let me get rid of this and this, and so now all I have to do, if I want that sticker, I will just go here at, oops, not that, that's the photos, for your photo images. This one is for the elements, the one with a star, and I go in here and I just tap, and there's my emojis. There it is. There you have it. So now it has become a sticker, and you can resize it and use it on whatever page that you may want to. So why don't we do that? Let's just put it on here. There you go. hopefully those are tips that might help you. And let me know if you already know those tips or if you have other tips. It'd be great to hear from you guys. And hopefully you guys are busy getting your memory keeping done for the month of July, because the end of it is almost here. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.